What a wonderful world.
I'm living in the guest room because my brother is in 12th standard, and comment below if you remember the horror of entrance exams. So I let him convert my room into a study room, and this is how I ended up here. Due to the lockdown, I can't go out and buy anything new for this room, so everything in this room has just been rearranged. If you're watching this video at a time where you can't go outside, but you're on a budget or you just want to reuse what you have, this video might be perfect for you. And if you're just watching this for fun, I made my bed for this, so I put in effort. First things first, the layout of my room. I have my bed in the corner right now. Next to it there's a bookshelf and a couch. On the other side I have a smaller shelf and a table. It's important to keep in mind where the plug points are when shifting your room around, and I have 3 of them. I wanted to designate proper work and sleep areas, and I decided to make the front half of my room work and the second half sleep. The only way to do that was by turning my bed around, by putting the bookshelf in a different corner, and by putting my shelf on the other side. And by placing the couch at an angle, I could separate the sleep and the work area properly.
The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky.
In order to turn my bed around, I had to remove everything from that corner. All my cables, chair, table, everything. I don't know if I could have moved the bookshelf a little more gracefully, but I got the job done, so I guess that's all that matters. Now here's a video montage of me at my least gracefulness ever. The bed was super heavy, and though the bed frame was too big for the bed, I was at no position to remove the bed frame and find a new one, so I scratched up the floor pretty badly. Either way, I got the bed in place, put my lamp in, and tried to turn it on.
Missing someone.
And finally, the sleep space was done. And now in the transition, so smooth you didn't even see it, I moved the table to the corner and started arranging it. One thing I found useful when working from home is to bring something back from your office that you're used to seeing in your workplace. I work from home in my hostel room, and my hostel room is filled with fairy lights. So I decided to do the same thing here, but the lights did not exactly cooperate with me. I tried. I do think that fairy lights teach you a valuable lesson. They keep falling and they keep fusing, but the person who wants it keeps buying it, so be like fairy lights, kids. Be worth the effort. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.